Welcome back, Risalat Sadiq. So today I am going to discuss about lazy V-Grid in Swift UI. What is lazy V-Grid? A container new that arranges its child view in a grid that grow vertically, creating item only as needed. So first of all, it's called lazy V-Grid. So first of all, we're gonna create on this view, Swift UI view. This is a lazy V-Grid. Lazy V-Grid view. Okay, now we're gonna create on the lazy V-Grid view. First of all, we're gonna create on this data. We gonna assign on this lazy V-Grid. So we're gonna create on this data. So let data and is equal to 0 and 100 items. Okay, now we're gonna apply on this map method on a map is a high priority method in Swift by using of filtering and matching and other. So we're gonna create on this map method. Okay, now in this map method, hello, and we're gonna use of string interpolation. And this is a $0 string interpolation and $0. Okay, now $0 by using one by one element. Okay, now we're gonna create on this column. Let column. Now we're gonna create on this column and is equal to grid item, and we're gonna create on dot adaptive grid item. Minimum number we have, we're gonna calling this adaptive max minimum 50 items. Suppose we have minimum 50 and not assign on this maximum. Remove on this maximum, assign us 50 element. Okay, now we're gonna create on the geometry by now we're gonna use of the data and column by using our view. So we're gonna create on geometry reader, and this is a geo in. This is geometry reader. Now we're gonna create on this scroll view. And this is a dot vertical scroll view. Okay, now we're gonna create on this lazy V-Grid. Okay, so in this lazy V-Grid we're gonna assign on this column and we're gonna assign on this column. So we can, this is a column. I will create on this column and content. So now we're gonna add on this content. We're gonna use a for each loop for lazy V-Grid. Okay, not assign on this. This is a column lazy V-Grid. We're gonna create on the for each loop for each. Okay, no, we're gonna assign on this data. Suppose we assign on the data, and now we're gonna add on this IDs in this which have element on slash id step slash dot self. Okay, now this is the item in, and now we're gonna add on this bind on this text. So text bind on this item. Okay, now in this state we're gonna apply on this dot background color, and this is a dot gray color. Okay, now we shall type on this lazy V-Grid, and this is a vertically. Okay, now we're gonna run this application. Lazy V-Grid, a container new that arranges its child view in a grid that grow vertically, creating item only as needed. Suppose we have created this 15 item in this grid. So we're gonna run this applications. Sorry, lazy V-Grid which have a initial window. Okay, now we're gonna run this applications lazy V-Grid. Okay, this create on this lazy V-Grid, not apply on this spacing. This is a vertical grid. Sorry, not this is a vertical grid. Okay, this is a vertical grid, so not apply on this. Suppose this which have apply on this spacing So this is a not applying this page, this is we're gonna apply on the background color, and this $0 and 1. Suppose whichever we're gonna set on check on this element, this is hello 0 and hello 1, and this is 21 20. Suppose not apply on this 100, this is a 10, sorry 9. Okay, now we're gonna run this application, we're gonna create on this lazy v grid. Okay, now this is a 0 1, this is a vertically. Okay, now this is 0 1 0 1 0 2. We're gonna apply on this height and width in this text. Apply on dot type font title, font is title. Okay, now we're gonna run this application. This is a logic v grid, 15 item, this is a title, and this hello 0 1 hello 1 hello 2 hello 3 hello 4 hello 5 hello 6 hello 7, and we're gonna apply on this spacing. So we're gonna apply on this dot spacing, sorry not, we're gonna apply on this lazy v grid, and okay, in this item, and we're gonna apply on this dot frame 200, sorry 15 by 15. Remove this alignment is remove, and in this add on this, suppose this is a gray color background color, and dot foreground color dot red. Okay, now we're gonna run this application. This is the 9 item create on this red color and background color. This is the 9 item. Okay, hello 0 1 hello 2 hello 0 2. Suppose which have apply on this, not apply on this titles, and not apply on this font. Okay, now we're gonna run this application. So this is a create on this vertically grid. Okay, this create on this vertically. Suppose now we're gonna create on this 100 items on a grid. Okay, now we're gonna run this applications and check on the grid. So a container new that arranges its child view in a grid that grow vertically, creating item only if needed. This is creating item only if needed, and this is a grid. Grid we can use each item which have a same size, height, and width, and this is using of content, and by using content. Suppose this is a lazy v grid. Okay, thank you for watching this video. We're gonna enjoy my channel, like my videos.